On this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble a chrysanthemum on a cupcake. Pipe a frosting on your cupcake. This will serve as the base for your flower. Arrange the flower around the cupcake, attaching the base on the frosting. With the use of a large round tip, pipe some buds between the flowers to fill the gaps. Add some frosting in the spaces and pipe some buds on it. Pipe some leaves around the flower and around the cupcake. With the use of a smaller round tip, create a bud by piping white frosting. And there we have a chrysanthemum buttercream flowers on cupcakes.